Alright, you guys, I have her mangoes. Okay, I'm gonna have just one more. It's so sweet. Here you go. Yeah, here you go. Here you go. No. Just one hand. One hand. KJ fam, welcome back to our channel. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you what my baby eats in a day. Okay, before I get into the video, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to leave a comment down below so let me know what you think of this video. So first I'm gonna go ahead and make my baby's breakfast. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm gonna make for her for breakfast, so let's go. All right guys, so Jazz is gonna have oatmeal this morning. I'm gonna be showing you how I make it for her. So I use this regular oatmeal that I eat. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour some in here. Alright, you guys, got it? Yeah. Alright guys, so I have some water in here. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of oatmeal. Okay, just a little bit. I'm just gonna let it cook for about 15 minutes. Alright guys, so now that Jazzy's oatmeal is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some apples to it. Okay, just to give it, you know, a little bit of flavor and make it sweet. Okay. Alright, so I have some applesauce here. I made this the other day, so I'm gonna put some apples in there. Okay, to sweeten it up, make it sweet so she can eat it. Okay, so I added some apples and I'm just gonna mix it up with the apples. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit more apples just so it can be sweet. I mean, you can add milk if you want. Some people add milk, and whatever fruit you want to add to this, you can, just to make it sweet for them to be able to eat it. Okay. All right, now her breakfast is ready. Okay. You ready? You ready to eat? Is it sweet? Is it sweet? Sweet, sweet. Ah. Sweet, sweet oatmeal. Sweetie, sweetie. Yummy? Mmm. Mmm. I can taste the apples in there. Ah. Ah. Good job. Good job. More. Ah. Do you wanna do it? Here we go. She just wanna do that. She wanna slam it on the floor. No, mama. No, no, no. Here we go. Ah. Ah. No, no, no. You see? Y'all see this? No, 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 mama. Here. No, no, no. No, no, no. Ah. Good job. Good job. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Ah. So yummy. Ah. Mmm. Is it sweet? Is it sweet? Yum. Yummy. Ah. 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 Here. Yummy. Wow. Good. Mmm. Mmm. Are you saying half for mama? Ah? Half for mama? Ah. Good job. Good job, Babu. Alright, you guys. So this is what Jazz is going to have next. She's gonna have a mango. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel it off and blend it up for her. Okay, I washed it already. Alright, so we got some fresh sweet mango. You guys, I have her mangoes. Okay, I'm gonna have just one more. It's so sweet. Okay, so I'm not gonna put any water. Blend it. So now her mangoes are ready. Alright, you guys, Jazz is gonna have her mangoes now. Mango time, mango. Mango. Mmm. Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. Mango. Alright, you guys, so this is the next thing that Jazz is going to have for the day. Okay, so here we have some broccoli and we have some cauliflower here. Okay, it's gonna take about, not so much, maybe about this much broccoli and cauliflower. I'm gonna wash them and cook them for a little bit, and then yeah, and I'm just gonna pour them in here. Okay, and let them cook for about 10 minutes. Not gonna take long to cook, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, you guys, so we have our broccoli and cauliflower ready. Okay, it does have a little bit of water on the bottom already. Has like a little bit of water on the bottom already. I'm gonna add a little bit more to it, and then if I need more water, I'll add more water, but for now, please out. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna let it cool down. Okay guys, this is it. All right, you guys, this is the last meal that we're going to have for the day. This is our broccoli and cauliflower. Are you excited? This is not her favorite, but as long as she eats some of it, I'm good with that. So yummy. With a pretty eye. More? gotta do ha ha ha. Come on, ha ha ha. Good. See, I told you guys, she doesn't. She does not like her veggies, but we're gonna have some of it. Ha ha ha. Yeah, good job. Good job, mama. With 1 spoon, 2 spoons. Ha ha ha. Good job. Good job, sweetie. Thank you. Thank you. Good job. Okay. Ha ha ha. Good. Good. That's my girl. That's my baby. Okay. Mmm. There you go. Ha ha ha. Good. Good job. Do we like our veggies? We love our veggies. We love our veggies. Do we love our veggies? No, not really. Here you go. Yeah, here you go. Here you go. No. Just one hand. One hand. Yeah, good job. Not too far. Not too far. Not too far. Okay, good. Here you go. More. More. Here. More. Okay. Good. Not too far. Not too far. Just right here. Okay. Good job. Good job. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Water. Okay. She's just gonna have some water and then we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment down below, and subscribe guys if you haven't. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna hold it.